You are watching Greenhaven TV.
My name is Aaron Kagagabila. And my name is Asiwa Skyla Aria. Have you ever seen a beautiful garden with colorful flowers, green plants, and vegetables? Yes, I've ever seen. Do you know how they're made and cared for? No, I don't know. Well, today we're going to learn something very important that gardeners use to help the plants to grow well. Garden tools. These are the cool things we help the plants to grow well. That's my favorite one. A watering can used to pour water on the plants. Plants are still like us. When we pour water, flowers say thank you. Now let's hear from Anne-Valerie. We wear garden gloves to keep our hands clean and safe. And this is the trowel. It's used for digging small holes and plant seeds like this. Now I will pass it to my friend Dylan. This is a rake. A rake just clean up the leaves and make the smooth. It has a long handle, kind of like a big comb for the garden. Now I would like to hand it over to my friend Trinity, who will tell us about the wheelbarrow. Friends, this is the wheelbarrow. We use it to carry soil, plants, or even leaves around the garden. With a wheelbarrow, gardeners can move things easily without getting tired. And now, my friend Fahim will tell us about the hoe. This is a hoe. A hoe is a garden tool that helps us take care of the soil and is used for digging. Let me pass it to my friend Benjamin to tell us garden boots. Gumboots Rakes are special boots we wear in the garden when we are working. They keep our feet dry when the ground is wet or muddy. To tell you the next tool, here is praise. This is a panga. A panga is a special garden tool with a long sharp blade. It's used for cutting small trees. A panga is only used by adults, not kids. Let's welcome Abigail, who will tell us about our last garden tool. This is an axe. It is a tool with a sharp metal blade and a long handle. It's used for cutting wood and big trees. An axe is only used by adults, not kids, because it can cut them. We have learned some important garden tools. Each tool has its own job. Together, they help make our plants beautiful, safe, and healthy. Thank you for listening to our presentation.
You are watching Green Haven TV.